Why fold a phone once when you can fold it 3 times? You know, just like folding laundry, but way cooler and without the chore. So unless you've been living under a rock, an unconnected rock, then you've probably heard that Huawei is shaking up the smartphone scene with the Mate XT, the world's first triple fold phone. We'll take you through the quirks and everything that'll make your pocket a bit more futuristic. Let's talk about the star of the show, the display. The Huawei Mate XT unfolds into a 10.2-inch screen with a sleek 3K resolution. That's right, 3 folds and boom, you've got a mini tablet in your hands. At just 3.6 millimeters thin when fully unfolded, it's not only impressive, but also lighter than your average iPad. And all of this in a device that fits right in your pocket, or at least tries to. Now, on the storage front, Huawei's not playing around. You can grab the Mate XT in 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, or a massive 1 terabyte variant with a beastly 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yup, that's double what most laptops are offering these days. Whether you're editing videos or opening like 50 apps at once, this phone is built for multitasking madness. But hold on, it's 2024, which means AI is everywhere, right? Well, Huawei's not lagging. The Mate XT comes with an AI-powered assistant that can summarize text, translate languages, and even edit your photos by trimming out all those pesky photo bombers. Need your Insta game on point? Huawei's got your back with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto periscope sensor. So whether you're taking landscapes or zooming in on the moon, because why not, this phone's camera setup is a beast. Of course, with all this screen space, you'll need a battery that can keep up. The Mate XT packs a 5,600 milliamp hour battery with support for 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So even if you're running low, you'll be back to full charge faster than you can fold this phone back up. And the timing? Well, this comes just hours after Apple dropped its shiny new iPhone 16 series with AI enhancements and all. But guess what? Huawei has already hit over 4 million pre-orders. Looks like people are lining up to see if more folds mean more fun. So, what do you think? Is the Mate XT the future of smartphones or just another flashy gimmick? Would you drop $2,800 for a phone that's as foldable as a piece of paper? Or is Apple's AI iPhone 16 more your vibe? Let us know in the comments below, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. And see you in the next one.